Welcome to Learning Alias, the A-pillar blend discussion. This is an area of the car that's very complex. What we're looking at here is, for example, I might go to Object Edit and pick Patch Precision and give myself a target here to build my blend from. Do the same on that surface, for example. Okay, area to fit the glass. Then that blend itself has to run into the A-pillar blend, and then there's another. See that there is actually a tangent break there. So how would we resolve that?